Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you metallurgy. Let's know about metallurgy. Metallurgy is the study and application of the processes used for the extraction of the metals from their ores and the modification of metals from their different uses. So, metallurgy means it is the processes used for extract the metals from their ores, and the metals are processed for further uses or further applications. It is derived from the Greek word metallurgos, which means metal plus works or worker in metal. Next is your minerals. The natural material in which the metals and their compounds occurs in the earth is known as mineral, or in other way we can say that combined state of occurrence of metal are known as or called mineral. We know that elements can't present in pure form, they are always present in combined form except noble elements. So the combined form or combined state of metals is known as minerals. Example, let's take an example: sodium chloride, sodium nitrate and sodium sulfate, etc. are the minerals of sodium. Similarly, bauxite and kaolin are the minerals of aluminiums. Though these are the examples of minerals of different element. Next is your ore. Ore are the minerals from which the concerned metals can be extracted conveniently and economically. So, ore is nothing but a mineral of an element from which we extract the metals in easy way and in profitable way. Let's take a example. We know that bauxite and kaolin are the minerals of aluminium. However, aluminium can be extracted easily and profitably from bauxite. Thus, bauxite is the ore of the aluminium. Everyone known as bauxite and aluminium. So everyone known as bauxite and kaolin are the minerals of aluminium, but only bauxite is the ore of aluminium because bauxite contain more aluminium as compared with kaolin. So bauxite is the ore of aluminium. So we confirm that all ore are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Next, see how ores are different from minerals or the differences between the minerals and ores. Minerals are the combined state of occurrence of metal in our earth crust. But ores are the minerals from which the concerned metals can be extracted conveniently and economically. So minerals is naturally occurred, which is the combined form of the metal, but ore is the minerals from which we extract the metals with profit. Next is your extraction of metals from minerals is difficult and non-profitable, but extraction of metals from ores is convenient and profitable because the minerals from minerals extraction of metals is very difficult, but there is no uses because the profit is very less. but extraction of the metals from ores is very profitable and easy. Next is your minerals contain low percentage of metals but high percentage of impurities. But ores contains high percentage of metals but low percentage of impurities. So from these we can say that ore is more profitable because in ore the amount of metals is more as compared with minerals. All minerals are not ores, but all ores are minerals. Next is your example. Previously we see the example of minerals of aluminum and sodium. Here we see the examples of minerals of copper, that is bornite and chalcocite. And the example of copper, the example of ore of copper is chalcocite because chalcocite contain 80% of copper. Next see the gangue. The worthless or the valueless sand, rocks and minerals are surrounded or mixed with the worthy minerals in a ore is known as gangue. Or in other words, we can say that the impurities present in the ore is known as gangue. Let's take an example. Suppose we take the hematite is known as the ore of iron is taken out from the earth crust, so it must contain clay impurities. These clay impurities is known as gangue. Thank you.